Okay, it does that when I hook up the computer, but when I unhook the computer, it'll run just fine at base idle. So I'm thinking it's my computer that's jacking up. I already replaced the ignition control module, spark plug wires, distributor cap and rotor, idle air control, and there's a brand new ignition coil on there. So it keeps doing this, trying to run, but it'll stall out eventually, and that's what it does. If so, a new computer online is $100. At AutoZone is about $100 too. But if you guys got any other questions or let's go say advice on what the question or what this issue might be greatly appreciated. Thank you.